Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another Canadian IMP breakfast menu. Now this is menu number 4, sausage and hash browns from 2018, and I gotta say, so far these Canadian IMPs are excellent, great quality. But yeah, we'll check this one out. Let's have a close look at it. All right, let's have a close look at it. As you can see, it comes in the usual paper bag, and it is lined with foil just to keep, some of the elements away. We have a Canadian maple leaf. Now this is sausage and hash browns, or something in French. This one's from 2018, menu number 4, and this is a military ration, not for resale, yada yada. Nothing on the sides, nothing on the bottom, and we have a QR code on the back, which is a web link to the Facebook page. If you guys want to scan that, go ahead and do so. And that's pretty much it. Weighs about the same as an MRE, 2.5 pounds, something like that, 3 pounds. And yeah, let's get it open. All right, so we're gonna do it the old school way. We're just gonna rip right into it. And we're in. And we'll just pull some things out. Let's see. All right, we have some tortillas, and we have tortillas de farine, or I'm not sure how to say that, but I've never seen that before. That is completely new to me. We have a packet of peanut butter. All right, and this time we have a strawberry crunchy cereal. These are excellent. We have the Canadian mint. We have some Tic Tacs, and we have a couple of drinks. Now this is fruit punch flavor, very nice. Some matches with a pink tip. We have sugar, and on the back we have those cool sailboats. All right, we have some strawberry jam to match our cereal. All right, we have another espresso roast coffee, and this one is excellent. The Canadian beverage bag, and we get 2 peanut butters. It's crazy. And we have a vanilla drink mix. It's got a gust at the bottom. Very nice. We have a packet of Frank's Red Hot. I put it on everything. And we have the sausage and hash browns, and here's the ingredients. Nutrition facts. Coffee whitener or creamer. And this has to be my new favorite spoon. This is the Canadian spork, and yeah, it's excellent. Canadian napkin. And for dessert we have sliced peaches. There's the ingredients and nutritional stuff. And in case you forget, it's right on the side, dessert. And that's it. And I almost forgot the FRH. All right guys, there you have the entire content of the breakfast Canadian IMP, and as you can already tell, there is a lot of stuff going on. We have a few drinks, a couple of snacks, some sides, and pretty much everything. Really curious about those tortillas. I've never heard of tortillas de farine. Not even sure what that means. I'm sure it means something in French. That's completely new to me, so yeah, can't wait to check that out. So let's begin. All right, let's heat up the mains and these weird ass tortillas. So let's do a montage. And let's activate it. Check that out. And we'll cook that for about 15 minutes. Now that is a really good flameless heater. It's got a lot of power, a lot of heat. All right, let's make some drinks, and we'll start with this one. Now this is a vanilla drink mix, and you simply add water. And that looks just about right. And we simply close it up. Then give it a vigorous shake. And of course it's, leaking. All right, let's try again. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, nice and creamy. It's a little bit chunky, and there's our vanilla drink mix, or looks like a milkshake. Yeah, let's try it. Definitely a very interesting flavor. The best way I can describe it is like those weird vanilla milkshake things, those protein shakes, almost exactly like that, just a little bit more weird. It's not the greatest drink, but it's not the worst. All right, let's check out the fruit punch, and we're gonna use this. And let's prepare it. We're gonna use the idiot proof method. Just dump your powder in the bag. And we simply add water to the fill line. And check out that color. Looks nice and red. Make sure we close it up so it doesn't spill. And give it a shake. And we still somehow managed to make a mess. And check that out. It's got a really nice color to it. Let's try it. Oh yeah, you know what that is? That is fruit punch Kool-Aid. There's no difference, same thing. All right, let's make some coffee. And we have the espresso roast coffee, and this coffee is great. Great boost of energy. And of course it's freeze dried. And let's add some whitener or creamer, whatever you want to call it. Here in the States, we call it creamer. And we're gonna use our sailboat sugar. Let's give it a stir. All right, check it out. There's our coffee. All right, here we go. That is a really strong coffee. I gotta say that's one of the top 3 ration coffees on my list. It's got a nice, strong, bold flavor to it. Yeah, it's very good quality, and it's very good. All right, let's make some cereal. And this is strawberry crunchy cereal. And there we have our cereal, and you can see little bits of strawberry. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use our vanilla drink mix as our milk. This could be a big mistake, you know, it's worth a try. It does kind of look a little bit like watery yogurt. All right, let's give it a try. Okay. Let's add a little bit of water. It's a little bit too sweet. All right. That is actually pretty good with the vanilla drink mix. It's a little bit too sweet for my taste. I added a little bit of water just to even it out. Yeah, it's very interesting. It's got that strawberry flavor with the vanilla and the crunchy rolled oats. But yeah, it's pretty good. Let's check out the tortillas. See what they're all about. And here we have the tortillas de farine. I'm not even sure how to say that, so let's open them up. Get rid of that. And we have a couple of plain tortillas. They look like regular tortillas. They smell like your average everyday tortillas. So not sure what that's all about. Let's make a peanut butter and jelly wrap. We have our peanut butter. Peanut butter is actually pretty good. All right, we have the tortilla man, and we're just gonna try a little bit. Yeah, that's really good peanut butter, nice and creamy and smooth. Let's check out the strawberry jam. And there you can see little bits of seed. Yeah, that's pretty good. Give him some eyebrows. Just mix it all up. All right, let's roll it up. And then we have our peanut butter and jelly wrap or roll. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow. That is actually better than what you would expect. The peanut butter, the jam, and the tortilla just make a really good combination. So I highly recommend that. Give that a try. And let's check out the Canadian mint or compressed napkin. And we simply add water. And we have a really nice napkin. Perfect for cleanup and other things. Let's check out the sliced peaches. All right, we have one of these newer pouches and it's got a weird pea soup color to it. There's our peaches. Oh yeah, they look nice and syrupy. Let's grab a bite. Let's grab one of these slices. All right. It's really good. Let's grab another one. Let's try the syrup. It's nice and thick. Those are simply peaches and heavy syrup. They're really sweet and very good. All right, let's check out our main entree. Yeah, now that's really hot. All right, here we have our sausage and hash browns. Let's open it up. Check that out. And there we have our potatoes and sausage, or sausage and hash browns. Just looks like potato chunks to me and bits of sausage. So let's try the sausage. There you can see the cross section. It's just a really good sausage. Very flavorful. Let's try with the potato. All right. That is a nice hearty meal. The potatoes are on point, nice and firm, good texture to them. The sausage is nice and porky. It leans more towards savory than sweet. I know American sausage is a little bit sweet, but this is entirely different. But yeah, it's a great meal. I really enjoyed it. Check out the sausage. The sausage is extremely tender. It's almost like Vienna sausage. Let's try with the tortilla. Why not? Let's make a burrito. Breakfast Canadian burrito. And we're gonna spice it up. Add some of this Frank's Red Hot. Oh yeah, nice and vinegary. It is a little bit spicy, but not too much. And there's our Canadian breakfast burrito. Let's try it out. Now that is a really good breakfast burrito. The Frank's Red Hot really completes it, really adds that vinegary touch and makes it that much great. So yeah, it's excellent. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the Canadian IMP, menu number 4 from 2018. And I gotta say, I wasn't really impressed. The vanilla drink mix was a little bit weird. Not the greatest flavor, not the greatest texture. The sausage and hash browns, the sausages were a little bit too much like Vienna sausages, a little bit too mushy for my taste. That's just my opinion. And on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this one a 6.5 out of 10. Not the greatest breakfast IMP, so I can't really recommend it. Just skip this one. So if you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed my content, please give it a like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification and you'll be notified as soon as any new content is released. And if you want to become a Patreon and support this channel, support, these videos, go ahead and check out the link down below and become a Patreon. Just $1 a month makes a lot of difference. Helps, pay for everything. Helps me keep making this content. So, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.